All right, we're going to get into alternate angle theory, or AAT. All right, alternate angle theory, alternate angle theorem, AAT. Here we have our set of parallel lines. We'll just call this one L and this one M. And they're being transversed by R. So similar to that structure we talked about in the last video, the only difference is the lines are parallel. Now we create a whole bunch of different angles around the intersection point. So we have 4 angles around the intersection of R and L, and 4 angles again around the intersection of R and M. We know a bunch of stuff that happens with these angles, and I'm just going to go ahead and name the angles. I'm just going to give them numbers. Angle 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Ooh, 5 should be up a little higher. Let's move it up to there. 6, 7, and 8. And these are the theories we know. A couple of them, this one doesn't apply, but we know CAT, corresponding angle, not corresponding, complementary angle theory, A plus B equals 90 degrees. We don't have any 90-degree angles as drawn, so this theory here is not going to apply. Supplementary angle theory, A plus B equals 180 when you have a linear angle that's cut. To create these 2 angles that add together to make 180. This is going to come in handy. And then we have corresponding angle theory, which we talked about last time. How when we have parallel lines in these angle clusters, angles that occupy the same position have the same value. All right, we're going to use them to prove what we call alternate angle theory. Okay, again, we're creating this Z-like structure here. We're going to start talking about, say, angle 3 and angle 6. I'm going to try and prove to you that angle 3 equals angle 6. All right. So I'm going to start off by talking about angle 1. So what do I know about angle 1? And I'm going to work my way to proving that angle 3 equals angle 6. All right. I know that angle 1 plus angle 3 equals 180 degrees because of SAT, supplementary angle theory. Right, there's a straight line there cut by this line here. 1 plus 3 angle 1 plus angle 3 equals 180 degrees. Sound good? I also know that angle 1 equals angle 5. Angle 1 is equal in value to angle 5. Why do I know this? Corresponding angle theory. Coat. I also know that angle 5 plus angle 6 has to equal 180 degrees. Why? Because of supplementary angle theory. Angle 5 plus angle 6 equals 180 degrees. Supplementary angle theory. All right. Therefore, because I know all this stuff here, I can sub angle 1 in on this line. So I'm just going to bring this down just a bit. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 6 equals 180 degrees. All right. Why? Because I can sub angle 1 in for angle 5 thanks to this stuff here. I know that they're equal in value. But angle 1 plus angle 3 equals 180 degrees. Therefore, I mean, the only thing that angle 1 can add to is the exact same number to make 180. Angle 6 has to equal angle 3. There's another way that we can show this using math with these 2 equations. We could have the angle 1 plus angle 3 equals 180 degrees. We could have angle 1 plus angle 6 equals 180 degrees. And we can do a whole equation subtraction. We can take this top equation away from this bottom equation. 180 take away 180 equals 0. The 1 take away 1 equals 0. The same values. You end up with plus angle 3 take away angle 6 equals 0. Move the angle 6 across the equal sign. That'll cancel, and you're left with angle 3 equals angle 6. That's another way that you can show that these two angles are equal. Okay, so this is just proving alternative angle theory. The math starts getting a little more interesting on figuring out what values are. I'll show you a couple examples of what the actual math looks like. This will be one of your longer videos. Okay. Actually, you know what? I'm going to stop it here and I'll just record a new video showing you the way the homework works.